Hey, good morning everyone. This is for class 9, science chapter motion, topic rest and motion. So first of all, we will discuss what is called rest and what is called motion. It's a very common concept, very usual term in our day-to-day life. We use motion. So what is exactly called rest and what is exactly called motion? There is a definition of rest and motion. Let's have a look. If an object changes its position with time with respect to a point called reference point, then it is said that object is in motion, otherwise it is in rest. Illustration. Here, three objects A, B and C we have taken for illustration of this concept. A is standing on the road, B is a vehicle and C is a person sitting over in the vehicle. At t equals to 0, vehicle is in just at the same position with respect to A as you are looking. As time passes, vehicle starts moving towards right. At t equals to t1 second, let us assume that the vehicle is at this position, and as t equals to t2, the vehicle is at this position. Now, in reference of A, the position of B as well as C is changing with respect to the time. So in reference of A, B is in motion, and A with respect to A, C is also in motion because the position between this and this object is changing as time is passing. Now, what if B is our reference point? With respect to B, at each case, B and C, the position between B and C is same. It's not changing. So, with respect to B frame or B reference point, C is in rest while time is passing. But the position between B and C at each moment is same. It's not changing. That's why in respect of B, C is in rest, while with respect to B, A is in motion because B is here. Position between these two objects is this one, and when B is here, then the position between B and A is this one. So we are looking that as time passes with respect to B, the position of A goes on changing. So with respect to B, A is in motion. Clear? So we will write here in reference of A, B and C किस में है? मोशन में है. In reference of B, C किस में है? रेस्ट में, और A मोशन में है. इन रेफरेंस ऑफ C, B किस में हो जाएगा? रेस्ट में, और A किस में हो जाएगा? मोशन में. वंस अगेन लेट अस डिस्कस इन हिंदी. C और B एक साथ है. जैसे जैसे टाइम पास कर रहा है, C और B के बीच का जो पोजीशन है वो चेंज नहीं हो रहा है किसी भी टाइम में, इसलिए C के रिस्पेक्ट में B रेस्ट में होगा. यहाँ भी the position between B and C is constant, that is not changing with respect to the time. So C के रिस्पेक्ट में B रेस्ट में है, यहाँ भी रेस्ट में है, बट C के रिस्पेक्ट में A का पोजीशन टाइम के साथ क्या कर रहा है? चेंज कर रहा है. C के रिस्पेक्ट में A का पोजीशन t इक्वल्स टू 0 सेकेंड पे यहाँ से यहाँ तक है, t इक्वल्स टू t1 सेकेंड पे ये डिस्टेंस है, एंड t इक्वल्स टू t2 सेकेंड पे ये डिस्टेंस है. सो हम देख रहे हैं जैसे जैसे टाइम पास कर रहा है, C के रिस्पेक्ट में A का पोजीशन चेंज कर रहा है, इसलिए C के रिस्पेक्ट में B रेस्ट में हो गया और A मोशन में हो गया. I hope that this concept is clear now. Now there is a question for you guys. In your classroom, during lecture, your teacher is walking from door to window. Then answer the following questions. In reference of your teacher, you are in rest or in motion. In reference of you, teacher is in rest or in motion. And in reference of third person standing outside the class, who is in rest and who is in motion. Answer this and post in the group. Thank you. Have a nice day.